Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy. A McDonald's-inspired Big Mac pizza.
Make mac sauce. 3/4 cup mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons sweet pickle relish. 1 tablespoon yellow mustard. 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Half a teaspoon paprika. Half a teaspoon onion powder. Half a teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/8 of a teaspoon black pepper. Mix well. Mac sauce.
A Big Mac inspired sauce. I always thought that McDonald's used Thousand Island dressing on their Big Macs, but they don't actually use ketchup. A little McD fun fact for you. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Tangy. Got that McD tang.
Medium high heat. Cooking oil. 1 pound ground beef. Cook beef until no longer pink. Season with salt and pepper. Drain fat from beef. Two cups cooked ground beef. Slice pickles into rounds. Dice onion. Cheddar cheese. Toasted sesame seeds. Melted butter. Shred lettuce. Mozzarella cheese. Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly as needed. Flour pizza peel. Slide peel under dough. 1 cup mac sauce. Two cups mozzarella cheese. 2 cups ground beef. 1 cup cheddar cheese. 1/3 cup sliced pickles. 1/4 cup diced onion. Pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Brush crust with melted butter. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds. Add shredded lettuce.
a Big Mac inspired pizza. Oh yeah, just like a Big Mac. Sauce, awesome. The lettuce, everything. Sesame seed bun, not quite, but almost. Really good. With the pickles, onions, yeah. Thanks for watching Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave a comment below. And be sure to check out what's up next.